Oh, it's getting about dinner time here, and I was back there in the freezer a while ago looking around for something for dinner because Kay's at work, and so I said, well, I think I might have me a ribeye. Of course, you know, it's froze, you know. You better be careful, I'll break one of her plates and she'll have my hide. So anyway, welcome to Around the House with Kay and Tom, and today we're going to cook this ribeye steak from frozen in this Ninja FOODi Deluxe over here, and this is going to turn out to be delicious. Now, if you don't believe me, you wait and see. Okay, now to start with, I'm going to put a little bit of this olive oil here on this steak from my Evo oil sprayer here. And I'm going to put, I don't know which order I want to put it, I don't reckon it matters. I'm going to put just a little bit of this Montreal Grill Mates steak seasoning on here. Now I know you're saying that's frozen, it ain't going to stick to it. Well, it will. If you put oil on it like this and let it sit there for a second or two, it will. It'll sort of stay to it while I'm cooking it. And then I've got some of this Weber's dry rub here. We'll put a little bit of that on it. Now, of course, I'm going to put some salt and pepper on it. Not much, but a little. A little bit on the other side. I mean, on the, a little bit on the pepper. Getting ahead of myself here. Okay, now I'm going to take this beef broth here. And there's just a little bit over a cup there. Don't pour it out on the counter, stupid. Now let me see if I can get over here in the Ninja FOODi without making such a mess. Now that I've cleaned up my mess, now I want y'all to be aware, the spout is lower than the brim of the measuring cup. So when you're pouring and you're watching to see if it goes up to the brim, don't forget the spout is lower than the brim, and it's going to start pouring out. So, just in case y'all didn't know that, now you do. Golly, learn something new every day, don't you? Okay, now, boy, just cut me a couple slices of onion here, if I can do it without cutting my finger off. Like that. Okay, now, the next thing we'll do, I'm going to go ahead and put this good looking ribeye here down this Ninja FOODi Deluxe. Of course, I'm going to turn it upside down. Just like that. And now I'm going to spray this side with the olive oil like I did the other. And I'm going to put the same stuff on it. We'll put a little bit of this Grill Mates by McCormick's on it. You know, when I say that, you know, I show the pictures just like this. Everything I use, none of these people don't send me a dime, don't pay me anything. You know, just so you know. It's just I like using their products, and they're good to me, so I thought you might enjoy them too. So, that's the only reason I mention it. It's not because they pay me anything, that's for sure. If they pay anybody from YouTube for mentioning their name, I don't know anything about it. But anyway, now put a little salt down there. Now if you do go down to my links below and order something, which I hope you do, then I do get a really small part of that. And it doesn't cost you an extra dime, whether you buy from my links or anybody else's. But you know, it sort of helps me out, so if you want to, you can. You know, I wouldn't mind. Now I'm going to put these two pieces of onion on here. Just like that. Just like that. Alright, now that's starting to look like a plan right there, isn't it? Something like you've never seen before. Okay, now I started to say shut the lid. See, you gotta think ahead again. I've got to go up here and get my other lid. Okay, now we've got the Ninja FOODi Deluxe pressure lid here. We're going to put it on and match up the arrows. This one you can see pretty good, but this one's still black on black, so you can't see it. But you'll learn where they're at as time goes by when you use it. And you go back here and you turn this valve back here to seal and not vent. Make sure it's turned to seal, or it will cook all day and nothing won't happen. And then we're going to turn on our power. And it's over here on pressure, and it's high for 10 minutes. 10 minutes, that's not going to be enough for that good old thick, juicy ribeye. We're going to have to go up. So you hit your time button there, and it'll start flashing. And you go up, 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 up to 30 minutes. And then you go hit the start button. Now, it shouldn't take it too long to come up to pressure, although you do have a pretty good size ribeye in there. It's pretty thick, and it is froze hard as rock. And we've got about a little over a cup, whatever went on the floor, I don't know. But anyway, we got a little over a cup of beef broth down in there, so that might take it about 10 minutes to come up to pressure. Well, I'll keep track of it and let you know though. While I'm speaking of washing your hands, you know, you gotta wash your hands about every 10 or 15 minutes. Look at how snowy white my hands are, you know, and stay away from everybody, you know, and, you know, just be safe. Just be safe. So, we'll be back. Okay, now it's not going to take as long for that button to come up as I previously thought it would, because it's only been 7 minutes and it's fixing to pop up just any time now. I can see a little steam coming out of there. I feel a whole lot of heat coming out of there. So it's not going to take it another few seconds for it to pop up. And so there it went. Now it didn't take no more than about 8 minutes. Now I don't expect it's going to take very much longer for the lights to stop chasing each other around here and it start counting down there. I expect about another 30 seconds or so. It'll start counting down the minutes. Okay, and there it went. It took about a minute and a half for it to start counting down after the button come up. Okay, now all we gotta do is sit here and wait for another 30 minutes and twiddle our thumbs. And while y'all can, if you get a chance, join our channel and give us a thumbs up. We sure would appreciate it. And thank you very much to all you folks that watches our videos. It sure does mean a lot to us, more than you even know. So we'll be back in a while. Okay, now we're down to almost 35 seconds left here on this cook on this ribeye steak. I want to tell you right now, it sure does smell good in this house. I don't know what it's going to look like when I open this lid, but it sure does smell good. I tell you what, it works up your appetite. Now, a lot of people will tell you to let this thing set for at least 15 minutes, but I'm not going to let it set for any 15 minutes. I'm thinking I'm going to let it set for about 10, and that's going to be the limit of it. And so the nice thing about the Ninja FOODi Deluxe is when it gets to the end of this 30-minute cook here, it's going to say done, and then it's going to say warm, and it's going to start counting up. And so now I'll know exactly when 10 minutes is up here, so then we'll be back to let the pressure off and open the door. Okay, now it's been sitting here resting for 9:57, and so I'm getting ready to turn this valve here in the back and release the pressure. And as you can hear, it didn't have a whole lot left in it, but it's still going to take a couple minutes to bleed down, I reckon. So we'll be back when it gets there. Okay, now it's been a minute and a half since I hit that vent valve up there, and so it should be falling any second. And I really thought it smelled good in here before, but you should smell it when I hit that vent and let the rest of that pressure out of there. Man, it smelled good. And there I went the pin down. It took a minute 48 for it to drop. Now we'll go turn it counterclockwise. Lift the lid straight up and away from your face. Sometimes I even surprise myself. Look down in here. Doesn't that look delicious right there now? I'll turn the pot so I can get a better hold on things here. That really looks good. I want to tell you. Where's my tongs? Let's see. Oh yeah, that thing. Oh yeah, this is so tender. And that pot is still so hot. I think that was dotting the I on the ribeye right there. It fell right off. Gee whiz, now I put a knife and a fork over here, but I don't even know if I want to need the knife or not. Let's jab this thing a little bit right here. Look at that. Doesn't that look good? Oh, that was really, that bite was really delicious right there. I'm going to try a piece over here with this onion in it. Jeez. Look at that. Look at that. You just pull it apart. That looks so good. Now the very next thing we'll do is take this in there and sit down in front of the TV, being I'm just here by myself. We'll go in there and sit down in front of the TV and watch television, and I'm going to eat every mouthful of this ribeye here. And when Kay sees it, I'll have to fix another one, of course, when she sees the video. So anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed this as much as I enjoyed making it for you, because it sure is good. And hope you try it sometime. And I'll leave the recipe down below for you in the description. And I hope you come back to see us real soon. And thank you very much for all you folks that watches our videos. We sure do appreciate it. Until next time, y'all have a real good and safe day now. Goodbye.